So, secret number one, what is it? Become an educator. That's an educator online and offline. You see, to sell high ticket, it helps if you occupy this space yourself. When you look around at our marketplace, you look at some of the most successful PTs out there, you'll find that they are out there either on YouTube, doing Facebook Lives, doing webinars. They're doing a whole bunch of things to get themselves out there. When you put yourself in that space, one of the things you automatically do is you lift yourself out of the ranks from all the other personal trainers out there, because most personal trainers, and this was certainly me when I first started, are happy just to maybe put out a few flyers, build a website, that type of thing, and hopefully people would ring me up, I'd have a conversation, and by hook or crook I'd make a sale. And that's how most personal trainers operate, and yes, that can work. However, when you become an educator and you start putting things out there ahead of time, ahead of people ever getting to speak to you, or even making that initial phone call, if they can consume some of your information ahead of time, it's going to make you a far more valuable proposition to them in their minds if they're engaged with what you are talking about by becoming that educator. And it's really just about you expressing your opinions, your views, your ideas on, in my case, weight loss, how I think it should be done. When you start to do that, you'll also find you become more interesting to the media, because they want something a little bit different. They want a different angle, a different approach, and as a consequence of what I've done in becoming an educator, I've been able to get myself in various media, Workout magazine, a magazine you may be familiar with, for health and fitness professionals. I've had myself and my clients featured in some publications, including being on BBC Radio. I had one client on there twice, and there you can see me standing up and delivering in different settings. Here I'm in a health food shop delivering, here I'm online, and here in a business setting, and that led to, not this particular thing led to this, but again, occupational health. I ended up doing a corporate wellness program, and part of that was because I was seen out there as an educator. So putting yourself in that space as an educator positions you to be able to sell your high ticket programs far easier than someone who's just out there selling personal training by itself. So become an educator. That's secret number one.